Developing positive relationships with students. Developing positive relationships with our students should be one of the most important tasks for us as facilitative teacher. It should be our prime focus. Firm willingness, commitment and wholehearted efforts are essential to do so. There are various ways of developing relationships among students and teachers. Good communication is very much crucial in building effective relationships. A good verbal and non-verbal communication style helps in developing teacher-student relationship. Teachers must be empathetic while communicating with the students. Use the words of care and compassion. Understanding the learner is extremely important in developing positive relationship with the students. Teacher should have all the knowledge about the learner. It includes his or her family backgrounds and context. Teacher should have the understanding about potential of the learner along with his or her strengths and weaknesses as well. Learner's nature, interests, academic levels as well as learning styles also need to be taken into consideration. This will enable the teacher to treat the learner appropriately and differently. He or she will be able to develop relation to the students so as to direct him and motivate him appropriately. Teacher should boost rigorous and regular peer interactions. As a facilitative teacher, we need to promote serious, focused peer interactions regularly in the classrooms. In fact, facilitative approach to teaching learning is based on group learning. Hence, peer interactions are at the heart of this approach. Peer interactions will enable strengthening of human bondage amongst the learners. This will cultivate the atmosphere of trust, respect and support for each other. Peer interactions will cultivate building up of teacher-student relationships. Teacher as a facilitator should be a keen observer. He or she should minutely observe the behavior, participation of the learner in the group process. Facilitative teacher should keep charting the student's performance so that he should be able to offer feedback persistently. Offering positive reinforcement to the students' answering, involvement and performance is very much crucial. We should always appreciate them from time to time. Constructive feedback is one of the main ways of maintaining positive relationships. This will be so much motivating for the learners and have faith in the students. This will naturally and spontaneously strengthen the teacher-student relationship. We should offer opportunities of leadership to the students. These opportunities may include organizing activities, maintaining classroom discipline, directing classroom events, etc. It will foster leadership qualities amongst the students. So, the students will feel valued and respected. Therefore, it will be surely helping in strengthening of the teacher-student relationship. There are some other ways that help in developing positive relationships as well. They are regular communication with parents, developing personal connect with each student by interacting personally, counseling the students regarding their behavior and their nature also whenever necessary, staying positive and committed towards teaching profession, displaying high level of accountability towards the students, regularly expressing pleasure and enjoyment towards the students and the teaching learning process, interacting in a responsive and respectful manner with the students. Assisting the students in achieving academic and social objectives. For example, we should answer their questions and queries from time to time. We should offer support that matches their needs, enabling and helping the students to reflect on their thinking and learning skills. Also, it is very much important for us as facilitative teachers to avoid frustration, express the irritability or anger on students' behavior or performance. Overall, we can say that relationship oriented approach can be developed through various ways. It is up to the commitment and efforts of the teacher. When there is a will, there is a way. If we are determined to develop positive relationship with our students, then we will definitely find the ways to do it.